Hey y'all, Stormy here with Plant-Based Storm, and I just wanted to come on here and do a what I eat in a day. Haven't done one of those in a while. So we've kind of changed things up. We've been doing a lot of smoothies in the morning, and we've been doing a lot of raw lunches and then eating a cooked dinner because it is just so hot already here in Texas. It's May 2022 and the heat is already kicked up, and it is just really refreshing and nice to be eating some of the raw vegetables where it's not so hot, it doesn't weigh you down in the heat. So I wanted to give y'all a view of what we've been doing kind of during the week. We've really been enjoying it, and I hope that this is something that will inspire you to try something new. Maybe if you've been a little bit bored with your menu or something like that, that you can always change it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into what we've been doing. One thing we've been enjoying is a fruit infused water, 32 ounces of it for some extra hydration in these really hot days. It's been super delicious. Added in a little bit of chia, and this is before our smoothies. And I just wanted to show y'all a collection of all the beautiful colors of smoothies we've been enjoying. So for this one, I wanted to show you the Swamp Thang smoothie, which I think is so fun to give them a name. I usually use all frozen bananas, but I didn't have enough, so I put in 2 speckled brown bananas so that they're sweeter, and then I'm going to put in some frozen peaches and some more frozen bananas, and I'm also going to add in some frozen pineapple and a couple big handfuls of green leafies, and these are actually spinach and kale. We like to change up the greens that we use whenever we eat so many. And then we also love the Sun Warrior super greens, and we would usually use a scoop of the Sun Warrior powdered protein. We didn't have any on hand, so this is what we ended up with this morning. And then I added a little bit more water. You can use water or any kind of plant milk, whatever you desire. And yeah, that's just something that we've really loved. So if you also enjoy smoothies, let me know below what kind is your favorite, because I would love to find some new recipes, because we've really been enjoying that cool, refreshing smoothie in the morning. And then something else that we've been doing was a really neat project we got to do with Cash, that we noticed that we found some monarch butterfly eggs, and we were able to raise the monarch butterflies and release them back. It was really neat for him to see the life cycle, and we recorded it all so that we could show to you, and I just wanted to share it. And so let's take a look at that. It was so much fun, and he learned so much about the butterfly life cycle, and it was like a living classroom, so that was so fun. And let me know if y'all like to do anything like this. So give the comments some love down there, and I will check them out, and maybe let's get a conversation going.
I spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder, with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day, it's a good day.
So I hope y'all enjoyed that as much as we did. And now on to the dressing. I want to do something really simple, usually using a little bit of water, some tahini, and herbs and salt and lemon. And it is one of my favorite dressings. It adds so much flavor, and I usually make this probably an hour before I make the salad at least. And a lot of times I make it the night before, but through the magic of YouTube, I'll make the dressing, and then I will show you my raw rainbow salad. And this is very typical of what we've been having for lunch. So yes, so good, and so easy and abundant and full of energy.
It feels like there's nothing missing. Filling my cup with some love in the kitchen. Cause I'm so sweet, super Sony, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. soak it up, up, up. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh yeah, gotta soak it up. Goodness, all coming through. Goodness, all coming through. Goodness, all coming through. Gotta soak it up. Long week, had a long year too. Getting harder to see, brand new. So I keep on smiling like I do. One look in the mirror and I'm back in the mood. Cause I'm so sweet, supersonic, over easy. Can't get enough of that good stuff. Gotta soak it up, up. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh yeah, gotta soak it up. Goodness, all coming through. Goodness, coming through.
Like I said, we've been enjoying a cooked dinner, and we just had a bunch of veggies on hand, and I'm going to make a soup. So I just took all of those fresh veggies that you saw and a can of white beans, and then I'm going to add in like a couple of cups of water and a can of crushed tomatoes, and then all of the seasonings that you love in soups. Basically just used up what we had on hand, let it pressure cook. I love to add in some cooked noodles. These are the ones from Trader Joe's, the vegetable noodles, and they're our favorite. And give it a little bit of bulk and calorie density without adding in a whole lot of extra fat. And then lately I have been doing these little brownie bites. They are so delicious. They are one of the best recipes that I have found. I'll link it in the description box, and they are 100% whole food. Did you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And as always, thanks so much for watching.